avoiding common pitfalls in automation. So this is very, very important for you to understand what are the most common mistakes or common pitfalls that we get ourselves into when working on automation. Hi and welcome back. I'm Savan Kumar, and in today's lesson we will be tackling some of the common pitfalls in content marketing, automation, and discussing on strategies how to avoid them completely. Automation, no doubt, can surely and greatly enhance your marketing efforts, but only if implemented wisely. Our first pitfall is over automation. It's tempting to automate as much as possible to save time, but overdoing it can lead to impersonal interactions and a lack of genuine engagement with your audience. If you over automate things, they might start looking impersonal. To avoid this, ensure there is a balance between automated content and human interaction. For example, while it's efficient to automate initial responses to social media interactions, follow-up responses should be personalized and human-driven. You get that? So you send an automated LinkedIn connection request to someone, send the first message, but the follow-up messages should be based on the responses that you have received from them, which AI might not do it really well. The second pitfall is ignoring data. So without having the data, if you're automating, you are on way to your disaster. Automation tools provide a wealth of data that can offer insights into audience behavior and content performance. Neglecting this data can lead to uninformed decisions that may not align with your audience needs. Regularly reviewing and analyzing the data from your automation tools helps you avoid this particular pitfall. Use these insights to refine your strategies and ensure your content remains relevant and engaging. Another common issue is failing to update automated content. Now, content that works well at one time might become outdated or irrelevant tomorrow. Schedule regular audits of your automated content to ensure it remains accurate and relevant. This includes replacing old content, checking for broken links, and refreshing statistics and case studies. A lot of times, let's say the web page that we were promoting is no longer active, or the marketing team chose to have a new web page on a different URL, but your automation campaign is still publishing your previous URL. So that leads to a broken link, which you need to make sure that you are updating it. And a fourth pitfall is lack of integration between various marketing tools. What is that? Disconnected tools can lead to disjointed marketing campaigns that confuses customers and dilutes your messages. What is this? Choose automation tools that integrate well with each other to ensure a seamless flow of information across all platforms. This will maintain a cohesive marketing strategy. So it's like if you are using a tool to automate your LinkedIn marketing, your email marketing should be connected to your LinkedIn marketing. So what I mean by this is, if you are engaging with a particular person on LinkedIn, that same person should be reached out on your emails too. Or your email marketing strategy should connect with the LinkedIn marketing strategy. So people who you are sending emails to should be the ones who the connection requests are going, or who the messages are going to. Finally, neglecting testing and optimization is a pitfall that can render automation completely ineffective. And that is exactly what happens when you come to a conclusion that automation is not working for you. Without ongoing testing, you won't know if your strategies are performing optimally. Implement routine A/B testing for different aspects of your automation content, from email subjects to call to action buttons, everything. Continually refining your approach based on the results. That's it for today's lesson on avoiding common pitfalls of automation. By being aware of these challenges and actively working to prevent them, you can ensure that your automation strategy effectively supports your content marketing tools. So join me into the next lesson. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day.